making video. We're gonna make a Bumblebee. So, like a Bumblebee, the Transformer. So, let's start with the chest. We won't need the other pieces. The chest. This is the chest. Like this piece. It's made out of 3 pieces. 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So these 3 pieces, we have 2 yellow slopey pieces, these, like this, and a blue car front piece. Just connect the 2 pieces like this. Onto the blue piece. Now you have the chest. The second one is the spine and back. So for the spine, we have this slopey piece, 1 slopey piece, 1 grey studded piece with a stud pointing outside, and 1 black one. 1 black one, and a grey little round stud, and a grey square studded piece, and a little platey thing line. So, with these pieces, number 1, connect these black and grey pieces like this. The studs pointing the opposite ways. Next, connect connect the silvery round piece onto the yellow square piece. Connect this onto top of this combine we just made. Next, take this green 2-studded piece, connect the top onto there, and then finally take the yellow sloped piece and connect it like this. Now we have it. Now remember the chest we just made? And this thing we just made? Connect this like that onto the middle thing, like there. And then we have the chest, the body. This is the body. Now let's make the arms. We have 2 arms. Here they are. And the first arm is made of a red piece like this, like a connectee piece, a 2-studded connectee piece, and a grey 2-studded connectee piece. Connect them together with a yellow sloped thingy piece. Connect this like that on, and then connect another one onto it. And then we have this grey piece, and then a little spiny piece there. Connect it onto here, like this. Do another one, but opposite, like that. Do one, but opposite, like here. And remember this we just made? Connect the arms like this, and connect another arm like this, This is what the back should look like. Now the legs and the peanut piece. So we have the peanut piece. So first we need a blue studded plate, 2 dotties, 1 and 2. 1 long yellow connecty piece here, 2 dotted, and a black little piece. Connect the black piece, the knee thingy, pointing here, this way, like that. The first one, and then put the dot on top of this, the top of this, and then connect this thing onto there, like this. And then make another leg, and then connect it here. Next, take this, take the chest off and the arms, take the spiny piece and connect this onto the middle, like that. And just move it around, break, just fix it. Then connect it back on. Now we have finished the Bumblebee. Bye-bye.